Alright, it's another edition of Rapping in the Garden. Just killed another mosquito. So we're only gonna be out here this long. I need more protection. I don't have any DEET on or any large clothing to cover up my body. I got long sleeves, long pants, so my neck and my face is protected. I just wiped it on my face. We'll probably edit that out. But anyway, what we're talking about today is Kanye West and President Trump in the White House. Their meeting that was fully publicized. Listen, Kanye West, God bless him. President Trump, God bless him. They're both human. They're not perfect. And they both make mistakes, just like me, just like you. I think, in my opinion, I think something's going on with Kanye. I like his music, but lately he's been saying stuff that I think is out of his lane. He's just too opinionated. He needs to realize that his opinion doesn't matter. What we know him for is his music, and his music only. So what he does outside of his music, I think he's trying to create a lane for himself. And I don't know what he's trying to accomplish, but a lot of people don't like it. I think it's more of showing that the country is divided. Even though it's we're still strong, we're still united, but I think he's just using his platform to show that he needs some type of help, and I think he really needs some help. And I don't think his mother's alive to tell him that he needs some help. But I think whatever he has going on over with the Kardashians and seeing what happened with Lamar Odom, and it's not looking good. So what I want to do today is talk to Kanye. Like, listen, Kanye, I have a plan for you, man. I understand you believe in the universe, but I just think you need to have a PR department before you go out and talk to people. Because if you can understand what people say, but their actions speak louder than their words. So if people believe that a certain person is racist, their actions probably speak louder than their words. I'm not saying President Trump is racist. I'm not saying anything, but if you could dive between that, you can kind of see their actions speak louder than their words. But with that said, I'm not pro-Trump, I'm not pro-Democrat, I'm not pro-Republican. I am just a free thinker. And I'm just rapping in the garden, and I just think Kanye just needs to relax. I mean, I'm glad Trump let him in the office and they had that talk, but it just looked a little weird. Just another sign of the times that it's just crazy things are happening. But when you rap in the garden with Gerard's Horticulture, everything's gonna be all right. So everybody keep watching. Please like and subscribe. Kanye, I'm gonna pray for you. Trump, I'm gonna pray for you. We're still able to make some changes. I hope the people that are positive people make positive changes for people as a whole in America. So let's just do that. Just make positive changes for people. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe.